Hi everyone, this video is made by Accuman Accounting Service. The purpose of this video is to have a demo on to show everyone how to use our bookkeeping template. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, there are a couple of tabs here, and we'll go through all of them one by one. Okay, the first one is a cover page. So here we put in the company name. Let's assume the company name is ABC Corp. And bookkeeping period from 2015 January 1 to 2015 December 31st. This bookkeeping period can be monthly or can be quarterly or can be annually, depending on the requirements by the clients and your tax filing requirements. And we can also provide some advice. And for the currency, we have choices of Canadian dollar or US dollar or even different ones. So for now, let's assume everything is in Canadian dollars. And next tab is the help. So we have help written in both English language and Chinese. So take your time, read through everything. It will be helpful. Okay, the next tab is the bank. That's a company bank account. So the company name is already here. Let's assume the company has a bank in TD, and account number is 1234. And in the first day of a bookkeeping period, that's 2015 January the 1st. Let's see, the company has $5,000 in the company bank account. And in the next business day, we had we had a deposit of $3,000. Let's see, it is sales, and we can also identify whether it's a product sales or service sales or even commission income or rental income and other stuff. So for now, let's say it's a product sales. And the memo and note is optional. It's up to clients whether you want to put in something. Let's say it is for client A, whatever note you want to put in. And most of clients are HST registrants, so your sales number should include HST. So you simply put in yes. So the HST portion and the net of HST portion is calculated automatically. Okay, then let's see, next day there's another transaction of say $500 being withdrawn from the bank, or it's a cash out. So we see this is let's say, so you have two choices of whether it's expense or purchase. The difference for expense is more about like a day-to-day general operating expense, and the purchase is about some sort of material you're buying for use, or you're buying them for resale, or you can buy some service, or you may buy some fixed assets. So that's it for now. It is just a general operating expense, and then you will see a long list of all the choices. Let's say this one is some sort of business insurance. Okay, so you may put in your insurance company here, and by the way, there is no HST on insurance costs, so this is not a good example. So anyway, you can put in no. Otherwise, let's say this is some sort of a computer-related expense, and will be yes. So the HST is calculated. And also, from time to time, you may see the HST is not a standard 13%. It is the case in Ontario, but might be different in different provinces. So you have an opportunity to override the HST. So all you have to do is just put in no and enter the HST amount. Let's say you see on your receipt HST is $20, so it's $20, then you just put in $20 here, and everything is calculated automatically. Okay, let's put in one more example. 2015 January the 5th. There's another, say, $600 being withdrawn from the company bank account, and this is some, and you know it's a purchase because of let's assume this is a purchase of a fixed asset. So you bought a computer, so you put in whatever note you want, and there is HST, yes. And so yeah, let's assume that's all the transactions in January. And by comparing this ending balance of $6,900 to your bank statement, If everything matches, that means your bookkeeping record is all right. So this is the company bank. And if the company has a credit card under the company name, just use this tab to enter all the transactions by date, the amount, and the transaction type, what kind of expense, whether it's say business meal or you bought some sort of office supply. So there's a long list of all the transaction types you can enter. And therefore, by using this tab, you make sure all the expenses are classified, and also the account balance is verified against the credit card statements. And the next one is employee and the director expense. That for the employee and business and the company director using their personal cash or credit card for the purpose of the company's expense. So you enter all those expenses in this tab. The expenses are classified according to what kind of expense they are, and also the total amount can be calculated and then reimbursed back to the employee or the director. And then the next one is the petty cash. It's for some small clients, such as a restaurant. They have lots of transactions in cash. So those transactions are not recorded in either the bank statement or the company credit card. So this is the place where you'll keep a track of all those cash transactions. And then the accrual, that's usually for the year end. For all those business transactions has already legally happened, but not financially settled. That means the payment has not been made, or the payment has not been received. So you enter all those accrual here. So we can consider that for the year-end closing. So the clients will typically provide all this business transaction history to us on a monthly basis or quarterly or annual, depending on your needs. And we will review all the transactions. We may have questions to clarify with the clients. And of course, while you are doing on those bookkeeping, you may have a question as well. So feel free to ask us. And after all the transactions are verified, we will then use the information here to populate that to our accounting system. Then we have a further process for the financial statements as well as corporate tax returns. Okay, so this is a short video just to go through the basic areas of this bookkeeping system. Hopefully that's helpful. So if you have any questions, just please feel free to contact us, and we'll be very happy to answer all of your questions. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.